VWF A1 Domain Target Introduction. Von Willebrand factor, VWF, is a large multimeric glycoprotein that plays a crucial role in hemostasis, the process that stops bleeding by promoting blood clot formation. It functions primarily by mediating platelet adhesion to sites of vascular injury and stabilizing blood clot formation. The A1 domain of VWF is one of the key functional domains within this protein and is particularly important for its interaction with platelets. Structure of VWF. VWF is synthesized primarily by endothelial cells lining blood vessels and by megakaryocytes, the precursor cells of platelets. After synthesis, VWF is stored in ribopolydibodies in endothelial cells and alpha granules in platelets. Upon vascular injury, VWF is secreted into the bloodstream. VWF is a large protein composed of multiple domains, including D1, D2, D, D3, A1, A2, A3, C1, C6, and the C-terminal D4 domain. The A1 domain is located within the central region of VWF and is flanked by the A2 and A3 domains. It plays a crucial role in mediating the interaction between VWF and platelets. Function of the A1 domain of VWF. Role in von Willebrand disease, VWD. Type 2B von Willebrand disease. Mutations in the A1 domain can lead to type 2B von Willebrand disease, a condition characterized by increased affinity of VWF for PIP. Other VWD variants, other mutations in the A1 domain can impair its ability to bind PIP, leading to a reduced capacity for platelet adhesion, as seen in other forms of von Willebrand disease. Clinical significance of VWF A1 domain. The A1 domain of VWF is critically important in both normal hemostasis and in the pathophysiology of bleeding disorders. Diagnostic marker. Von Willebrand disease, VWD, measuring the function of the A1 domain, such as through assays that assess VWF binding to PIP, is an essential part of diagnosing VWD. Therapeutic target. Inhibitors of VWF-PIP interaction, in conditions like thrombotic thrombocytopenic purpura, TTP, where excessive platelet adhesion and aggregation occur. Targeting the A1 domain PIP interaction. Alpha Lifetech can provide caplacizumab biosimilar anti-VWF A1 domain mAb and other biosimilar antibodies. www.alpha-lifetech.com. info@alphalifitech.com